I don't need to tell you how much the excitement there is surrounding Sun Devil football in Tempe these days. 12 Sports journalist Cam Cox shows you proof of that, and maybe one of the best NIL deals ever.
Hey guys, Kenny Dillingham loves to say activate the Valley. It is certainly activated these days. ASU has a massive home game against BYU tomorrow. The community support has been unreal for the Devils this season, and it's so great to see. No better example of that than this week. A first meeting that's life-changing.
It just really comes to show, the whole Valley is really, activated right now.
That is ASU linebacker Jordan Crook, and that is his new car. This was his old car in early November, his Altima. It had enough.
I got out the car fast. I grabbed everything. I really didn't know what was going to have, to be honest. It was my first time.
Out of options and a ride, Jordan posted on social media asking if there are any local car deals out there.
It was in bad shape. It had seen better days.
That's Parker Jones of Jones Ford Verde Valley. He's a Sun Devil and wanted to help, but quickly realized Jordan needed a new ride.
Brought it up to our dealership in Camp Verde, Arizona, and realized quickly that repairs weren't really going to be an option for it. It's not in my nature to just not do something.
Parker posted Jordan's story on the recruiting website Sun Devil Source, asking for help raising $15,000 so Jordan can buy a used SUV that he found for him.
Put a challenge out there to the message board and said, hey, here's an idea we got. Let's see if we can't do something as a community to take care of our own. And within 10 hours, we had raised $15,000 to make this happen for him.
And a week before Thanksgiving, Jordan signed for his new ride.
What's cool about this is this vehicle is his. This isn't a lease. It's not a borrowed car agreement. He's not giving it back in 5 or 6 months. This is his.
It's crazy how this come full circle because, my pops, he drove expeditions growing up. So, just to have my own now, it mean a lot.
Been a great season for the Sun Devils, full of great moments.
I just want to say thank you. What's going on right now, it's not on accident.
This is one of them.
Now, I'm sure by the time I get back up here this evening, I have to take somebody home or want to ride around or something like that.
Driving away extra thankful to be a Sun Devil.
Thank the Sun Devil fans. Thank Parker. I'm blessed.
Guys, you hear so many negative things about NIL, name, image, and likeness, but this is one of those deals that truly paid off in a life-changing way. Devils at BYU kick off tomorrow at 1:30. 12 Sports will be there. Devils need to win to keep hopes of playing in a Big 12 title game alive. Guys, back to you.